Let me see your hands.
Which one?
To the right, to the right.
Alright.
Yeah, he's stopping for you.
Come on out, man! What'd he say?
When y'all gonna get this shit?
What?
When y'all gonna get this shit?
Todd, just come out with your hands up. Todd, just come out with your hands up, dude. The dog doesn't have to come in if you come out with your hands up. In his face. In his face. Todd, we're not going anywhere, man. Come out with your hands up and do it now. Show your hands. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. You got a knife with a blue handle, fillet knife. He went back inside. He did have a fillet knife with a blue handle in his right hand.
I might. Let's see if an op's gonna do it.
Just say, if you're in there, turn bad.
Hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Back up now. Back up now.
All right, stop. Move on me. Move on me.
With you.
Push him past.
Push him past. Hands. Let me see your hands. Let me.